Good evening, everyone. Sorry earlier. I just seen your message. I just read something. Sorry for that. I didn't put the volume because I was putting music, and due to the policy of YouTube, which is too much restricted, it's like violating policy. Therefore, all the content containing music being put down. So, as for what I am doing today, I'm trying. So I have software that I built it. I was thinking it would be actually more cool, like to have them all in a single package, all in a single software. So I had a lot of with package conflict. So I can show you an example. For example, like dependency, there is a package conflict, dependency conflict. It require a network which is 0.5. So right now what I did is instead of installing in my Conda environment, instead of installing in my local environment, because you can actually do it in multiple ways, how you can set your environment. I'm trying to set a special, I'm taking the packages and running them straightforward into my own package straightforward, instead like I'm having them in location like in here, which make it actually faster. I can show you an example. You can understand why I want to do this. So I'll show you software, and we're gonna compare the process time between this way and the new way I have. So Python problem, it's not actually running slow, actually where you're locating packages which make it run slower. So if you move your packages into your project itself inside, it actually would be more faster. That's why a lot of people think Python is slow, but actually it's not. It's where we locate the packages which make the process slower. So let's choose an example video so we can test. In the meantime, so just gonna wait until this finish, so we don't gonna, so no one say no, maybe there was another process beneath which slow down the process of this GUI. So with this itself, actually, the claim of Python being slow will actually was never slow. It was people not understanding how to use it properly. That's they claimed that it's slow. The problem was actually locating the files on a disk C or on another folder and having your project nested inside a tree of another folder inside, make it really slower to process. Like it's getting data from here, getting it back to that point, then sending it back. So it may take a while actually to finish Torch because actually it is 2 GB something. No, sorry, it's 5 GB something. So So Torch is finished. Now we are at Torch Vision and Torch Audio, which we're gonna need into the process. At Torch Audio, and we're done. So over here, it's already stayed in target. Already there, we have view dependency conflict in behavior, which we will look at later on. At this point, it's not a big issue because right now, why we get this message is because it's installed in the target folder. Let me see. Packages. So it is right now installing the packages in the folder target as I specify over here. So I have already split my project into three packages processor, because some of them I will be putting different packages in each package. Yes, I'm waiting for this to finish so I can show you a demonstration of what is the problem and how it actually over this side it run really slower comparing with the other side, which is instant, like a couple of seconds. So this software actually do only one job. It's like getting you two audio files out of one video file, meaning it get you the background and the voice file. So background file, it's like when you have a movie, you have the voice where someone is speaking, you have the background which is playing in the back. So we still have few conflicts, but we're gonna look into them in 1 second. Let me actually share the entire screen. So this is the software. Um, those are actually the softwares I'm gonna be actually packing into one, hopefully. Let me just double check how much space. So what I am doing right now, I'm checking each package if it's been installed correctly. So if it does, it will return for me the state version. So torch version, CDO available, whatever it's available. So torch is false, it's not available. I got // extension unexpected. Okay, fine. And this one over here, phone is installed. Let me see how we gonna solve. Very good. Some let's look at this. So over contrast. Let's see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the folders. So you can do a PowerShell command remove items. And now it's gonna be we gonna create a fresh ones. And then I'm gonna disable one that so it doesn't get me any conflict. There are long files on it. So now we're gonna create new ones. And now what I'm gonna do right now is wait. Again. I forgot the test. Well, this is just downloading, but this one will not use internet, so I think testing should be good. So let me show you a test. So we'll take this and we're gonna do stop. Measure with me the time. And measure with me this. So you have seen with me how much it did take, yeah? So let's go back and try it on this side. Let me probably deactivate another time, so that means let's hit right. So as you can see, I don't have any NV. So no NV, I'm setting my local NV. And if I click enter, watch this. It's done actually. First of all, no memory issue. It's really fast usually. So it's done here, as you can see. Also, we can use it function. Let me see like that. I'm just looking through my history because I don't want to write the parameters myself back again. As you can see, it's more faster, 10 times from the code size. So and I have actually the same process as loading at the backend. So we're gonna wait for it to finish. Um,